Fine, whatever. I like animals, okay?
Good, because I really like them too.
Oh.
But I think I like eating them better. Please, for the love of God, just let me sit.
I was pretty confident about this one, though.
I'm so very sorry.
Huh?
Excuse me. I'm absolutely starving right now.
It seems like we've been going around and round in circles.
Remember, we're inside Himeko's head.
I'm so hungry, I think I'm gonna pass out.
Here you go.
Huh?
They are surprisingly good.
She's adjusted to this environment.
Hey, you guys, I see a restaurant over there.
I'm sorry, seriously.
And what the hell do you think you're doing?
Well, actually, I'm getting hungry, you know?
Huh? I don't get it.
Big Bang Moon Tasty! Hollow